go, but I would forget.
Cafe Pascual. Do not enter. But we will. Cafe Pascual. Well, now we're just in beautiful downtown Santa Fe, so I had to turn on the camera because it's a beautiful, overcast, slightly rainy day, and that's like Mecca for us here in Santa Fe. Today, at least it is. You know, normally we enjoy I've told you, the sunshine and the perfect weather 365 days a year, and this is actually part of that, which is the rainy part of the sunshiny perfect weather, and it's perfect. It's just perfect. It's nice and crisp and cool out here, and cleanest air in the whole world. That's what I've heard. Cleanest air in the whole world.
Cleanest air is like Fred Astaire.
Yeah. And just as graceful and
and soft and
lovely to breathe. Yeah. And
and it's nice to find the bathroom.
yeah.
If you go to Santa Fe, there's one bathroom down. And this is it.
Look, yeah, this was not here 10 years ago when I arrived. Yeah, this is a new addition. Well, those are kind of nice. So the Santa Fe downtown scene, public restrooms. I haven't actually been inside these. Let's go out and look, shall we? All right. See, normally in travel shows, you get reports of the public restrooms, and you get like advice about whether or not you should use them. Well, this is quite nice. I think we're alone now. There doesn't seem to be anyone around. Okay. So yeah, I give it a thumbs up. I'll put you in my pocket. I feel very close to our audience these days. I feel like we have a special bond. Yeah, people could say, is that a hit television show in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me? We're still on. Look at how shiny that is. You can see yourselves in the ocean. Ooh. Shiny, shiny Zellerator. Dries your hands, lickety split. That was originally a Velvet Underground song. Look it up. Away we go. Okay, back out into the world, where I may appear to be a tourist today. Yeah, I'm about as local as they come at this point. Except for maybe Jody. Whoa, that lady fucking scared me. You're sitting here and then you look over your shoulder. Whoa! There she is. I'm running out of battery power here. Some features may be limited. Yeah, if you really want to learn about Theo Raven, just keep it on pause and zoom your screen and read all about it. Let's see. It sure is a pretty town. It sure is. There's the Five and Dime. That's the home of the original Frito pie. But I tell you, it wasn't always the Five and Dime. It used to be Woolworths. Woolworths back in the day. I think if you check out a movie called Billy Jack, that Woolworths will be featured, but I don't know if they call it a Woolworths in that movie or if they change the name of it to something else to spare Woolworth's reputation. Because, I don't know, Billy Jack, he was a sort of a figure of some controversy.